In 2009, the Family Smoking Prevention and Tobacco Control Act was implemented, which gave the FDA the authority to regulate tobacco. With this policy, federal tax rate for cigarettes increased from 39 cents to 101 a pack. This led to the number decrease of less than 20% of Americans still smoking. Now, it's been said that increasing tobacco prices is the single most effective way to reduce smoking. This leads to my speech today about the taxation of the unhealthier foods that sit on the shelves of your grocery stores every day. The Guardian website states, while it is unclear how such taxes could be brought in and enforced, they could help ensure poor diet plays less of a role in a future range of illnesses such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, tooth decay, and obesity. One of the three benefits of the fat tax is it will give society the opportunity to buy healthier fruits and vegetables instead of the unhealthy food at a cheaper price. With this fat tax, just because food has a high fat content does not deem it necessarily unhealthy. Peanuts are known to have a high fat content, but have known to promote good heart health. In an article from the Hindustan Times website, levying taxes on junk food may not change things overnight, but it might make young people think twice before eating junk as they have limited pocket money. They also make a valid point by stating, more than levying taxes on junk, there is a need to create awareness about the disastrous consequences of obesity. This moves us to another benefit of the fat tax. This taxation will lead to a decrease in obesity throughout our nation. Some health professionals believe that half of the population will be obese by the year 2030 if we do not take a step in the right direction to better the well-being of the human population. Now, according to theweek.com, obesity rates in children have more than tripled in the past 3 decades, to the point where arteries of a typical obese child are as thick and stiff as a 45-year-old. This is the overwhelming statistics. We as Americans can't rely on things to change without grabbing the bull by the horns to better the lives of our future generations. We don't want our future youth to look back and wonder why we didn't try to better our lives and give back more to them than we take. To give ourselves a better outlook in the future, we need to be able to see that we will be taken care of, especially when it comes to things like our health care. Society being too unhealthy drives up the prices of health care insurance. Now, with the fat tax in place, we can get healthier and in turn lower our insurance costs. For instance, when someone quits smoking for a period of time or has never smoked at all, the cost on their insurance premium is lower. If a person is not considered obese, they have a healthy lifestyle, that shows in their medical information, and they will in turn get special discounts and cheaper rates on healthcare costs. According to a study by ABC.com, a tax of at least 20% could drop obesity rates by 3.5% and prevent 2,700 heart-related deaths each year. Now, in lowering the heart-related deaths, you are also lowering the number of strokes and the risk of cardiovascular disease. So in conclusion, I want to share with you the benefits of putting in place a fat tax in the United States. The fat tax can help make healthier foods more affordable, help lower the obesity rate, and lower healthcare premiums. I chose to do this topic because I think we need to have a more proactive approach on life. I lost 70 pounds in 8 months with just light exercise and healthier eating habits. But I'll leave you on this note. If I told you this tax could add 5 years to the average life expectancy, would you vote for it then?